National Vice President ke National People's Party NPP ubaderu usimbut Menteri Rangba Akajala uba Prestun Tensong Ulaong balada President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H Pala udon sebut baka NPP ke lumpisa nagi cegiet barki kerdap COVID udaiban ujo tak ejahar ne FIR Hinan kesngi uba palau lakno bagi cegiet barki kerdap COVID ke badan hakajala ki kela ki ATM ke NPP barki UDP ban lumpisa nagam dagi election chiteng semoy. Haba geli uba Prestun Ulaong uba pala haba ukenno lesi ula don luparu ya ki saki satar ki bapiang bar lada udon ula deba unlet bun ujor pet dak ejahar haki police station. Bar ben rap susu ba umkwa ban nyatanya palat. Henry lada ke jingkeno kalong ke besisha ke Kongres ke badan Shibun ki beriu ki betip ya kaan ki deiban let bet kat kum kaan par lada omdan ya ki saki satar ka dei tang ke jingkeno ka baklem nongrem. Ha ka bay dei ba ke jingkren ke jong uba pala ba ka sorkar senrap Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka khampait ban ya ka seng Kongres bat ba menta ki khun persya ru ha ke election chiteng semoy. Uba Prestun Ulaong bagate ke jingkren jong uhe ke MPCC kadai tang ke jingkren kelung namar ka sorkar MDA menta ka scam bat ke yateli Ulaong susu bau presiden ke Kongres udai ban sngoto balada dei ke sorkar bayalam de ke Kongres Delhi Minchwa ka UPA ka sorkar NDA bayalam de ke BJP menta ne ka sorkar MDA hapo ke jela Meghalaya haba ka don ki election ki ha penyekun ne uba pala umut ban ong baka sorkar UPA don tang ke Kongres Marway bat kamut baki bai ke badon haka sorkar kimla banyakun ya ki election haka bai dei bar ke jingkeno ke Kongres persya ya ke NPP uba Prestun Ulaong balada ke Kongres ke don ki saki ki babiang alur ke jingkeno ke dei ban let cakaan bat benrap bakum unongilam sngo pala shu ya ke jingkeno ke liang persya ya ki seng ki badon lang ha ke sorkar MDA la kalong ya ke NPP, UDP, PDF, NCP ne ya ke BJP. Ulong baka Kongres menta kamdon ya kamat ban late penyelap sikipait ba ha ke ki election chiteng semoy namar menta kimla ru ban late sikipait ba ban yo thau sorkar. Pat kene kala pelong iki ban numyo su ya kamat ban kren light tang ban kenok. Unong ilam ke NPP Ulaong bagi pait ba jong ki lightly ki constituency ki sngoto bar ki ladep rairu yano banjet namar ki donkam ya ki kampen roy bat haba ki donkam ya ki kampen roy kamut ki donkam ya unong mikmat ubadon ha ka sorkar.
The president of MPCC, when he talked, I'm sure he talked with documentary proof. If he do have a documentary proof, I think the nearest police station is always there. Let him file FIR. Because I don't want debate. Why should we debate? But if the allegation is true, I think Congress party must have quite a number of legal experts within the party. So legal course of action should be taken immediately, and if not, it's only a mere allegation. I think again the statement made by the MPCC president is very immeasured, I should say. If he says that MDA is not united, that is totally wrong. He needs to understand one thing, be it NDA, be it UPA, be it MDA in the state. When election comes, are you trying to say that UPA should be only with Congress alone? Though of course the major number of MPs goes to Congress, but it does not mean that those partners who join the UPA cannot contest election. I think I've already replied. Very clearly. If you have the allegation which is substantiated, why don't you go for legal course of action? Because see, I really don't understand. Allocation made during the election is something which I personally feel voters understand better than anybody else. So I am not surprised with the way the Congress party made allocation, keep making allocation against the MDA partners, be it NPP, be it UDP, be it PDF, be it HSPDP, be it NCP, be it BJP. So for me, I think it is not a new thing. They don't have any agenda during this by-election. You tell me what is the agenda of the Congress party right now in the by-election. If the agenda is to form a government, I think people will understand, yes, that is the agenda. But now the agenda they don't have. Can MPCC president or can Congress say this time while canvassing, while going down to the public, give some kind of agenda that please vote in favor of our official Congress candidate so that we can form a government? Can they say that? Nothing. So therefore, my clarification here is very simple. People of these constituencies, voters of these constituencies, I think they already decided, they already understand which candidate to vote for, because they need development. When they need development means they need to be with the party which is in the ruling.